Y'all, I Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another one from the Nadula hair. I am excited about this one, especially because she's not a full frontal, she's a closure, but she's stunning. Okay, now we've done quite a few units by Nadula hair, quite a few, and the hair from them is just amazing. I really do enjoy working with them. This is a 26-inch. Get into that body weight. Ooh, she's nasty. Ooh, why she throw a thing up in the air like that? This unit is so beautiful, okay? She is 26 inches of love, sex, and magic. And I can't wait to throw this bitch up on my mammy damn head, okay? Now, she only has this much lace, that nice. I think this is a 4x4 or 5x5. I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know. I'll clean it up later. And then she also has lace in the back. I don't know who raggedy ass dog is barking, but we about to be beefing. We about to be beefing. Okay, so she has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, will kind of forever. And I'm just gonna go on ahead and throw her on so you guys can get a good look at her. She's stunning. Now, of course, Nadula didn't come without gifts. They made sure that they sent us an edge wrap, which I can't get enough of these, as well as stocking caps. So I'm just gonna go on ahead, throw her on, and let's see. So full disclosure, I had every intention of going in and girling her the hell up, but look at how beautiful that body wave stayed. I just don't understand why it's so good. Look at that. Get into that lace. It's already pre-plucked and everything. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, I just don't understand. Did you guys see that? What's up on her? All right, let's go on ahead and get her together. Y'all, I can't take it. All right, how far do I want to bring her? This unit is super fire. She's super big head friendly. Absolutely stunning. The hair feels amazing. She's thick than a Snickers, okay? She's very Houston, Atlanta, Vegas, all right? If you picking up what I'm putting in. A lot of y'all don't know what I'm talking about when I say Houston, Atlanta, Vegas, but some of y'all do, okay? She's looking like she somebody Drake would love, all right? Now, this unit, again, is going for just about $308. She's super thick. She's 26 inches. It's a 5x5 part, okay? You can even give her a little bit of a little bit of a side part if you wanted to, because she does have that capability as well. I'm going to wear her in the middle because y'all know how I do. I'm just obsessed. I'm so mad I had to run my finger through it. Look at that. Stunning. Nasty. And y'all know how I like them, okay? So I'm just going to go on ahead and lay her down and see what she's working with. All right, guys, I know I really am a lover of good wigs and everything like that, but this Nadula hair unit has got to be up there with my absolute positive favorite closure units like I've ever done. I think that the thickness of this hair, the texture of this hair, the beauty of the lace and how it's pre-plucked, All of that just makes for an extremely quality unit. I know you guys are clutching your pearls at $300, but sometimes, especially in this era and in this case, you are getting what you pay for. She is providing all of the love, sex, and magic. I'm just going to go on through and make sure I get this unit together. I'm taking my time and I'm going to go on in and cut out some baby hairs, just a little bit, nothing too major. I'm also going to go on through with my Babyless wand curlers and just curl this unit. I want to make sure she's super styled. I got a hot date. Now, another trick, and I've told you guys this before, is to go through with your Got to Be Glue Free Spray once you've actually glued your wig down. This helps you to get all that crunch and munch lace out of the way. You just want to make sure that your unit is laid down and you have like a real seamless look, and that helps with it. So again, I'm just going to style her down with my Babyless wand curlers and my Tresemme Hold Spray and get these curls all the way together. Y'all, Nadula hair did not come to play with us. I'm out here feeling like a Mammy Tappan City girl. This unit is super duper fire. Like, I really cannot take it. I think that she is so beautiful. The hair is beautiful. The texture is beautiful. The inches is beautiful. She's just giving thick, nasty, big body bands. Okay, I really cannot get enough of this hair. I love the inches. I went through with my Babyless wand curler, got her together, sprayed her down with my Tresemme Hold Spray, as well as my light silk spray, and that's just to get those frizzies off the top as well. This unit is very big head friendly, very. Even right now I have it on and I did glue down just the closure part, but I feel like I probably should have put the combs in as well. Oh, I still can. Yeah, I definitely need the combs because she's feeling not like she's feeling like a good tug will have her on her way. So I would definitely recommend using the combs, especially if you have a smaller head. But she is everything and more. Everything. I love this. I love that it's giving city girl love, sex, and magic. I love that it's big and bouncy and sexy. And you guys definitely need to check out Nadula hair. I feel like Esmeralda, and y'all know I love being a Disney princess. So if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this one. She is absolutely stunning. All right, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Bye.